How to make a 3D Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a 3D Shopify store. So having said that, let's jump into the video. So what is a 3D Shopify store? Well, it's just like normal stores, but it just has 3D elements like a 3D background, 3D photos, and 3D product photos and stuff like that, right? Nothing too crazy. Now, there are some things that I wanted to tell you that if you were going to upload videos as the backgrounds and product photos and stuff like that, you will need a paid plan. Otherwise you can't upload videos. That is what Shopify's rules are. In order for you to go ahead and access those types of features, you have to go ahead and purchase the plan. But there is a workaround if you don't want to purchase the plan. Although I would recommend purchasing it because why wouldn't you? But because Shopify only works for 3 days in the free plan, but it is what it is. There is a workaround which involves a little bit of coding, so we'll see what happens. So I already have an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in. You can sign up, it's pretty easy. And when you log in, this is how it's going to look like. So this is going to be your dashboard over here, and here you can see all of your options. Now, in order for you to go ahead and upload your videos, come over here onto the left hand side and you will see you have content. In content, you will see you have files. In the files, you can upload all of your images and videos and whatnot. You can see I've already uploaded a few videos. So if you wanted to upload these videos, you're gonna have to make sure that you get a paid plan. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. After that, what you're gonna do is come over here down below underneath sales channels. You're gonna click on online store. Underneath online store, you're gonna have themes. In themes, come over here and you're gonna go ahead and click on customize, right? So here you can see you have some themes. You can go ahead and customize them. Click on customize and it'll open up the theme store or the theme editor in another tab. Here you're going to have to upload all of your 3D elements. So 3D elements that I was talking about is the image banner right here. So if we click on image banner, right, click on these options right here, you can see we have these option over here on the left hand side. So if I wanted to select an image, click over here and upload the image. But again, this is for the image banner. I can't upload the video. So what we can do is there is a option called add block, and here we can add a video block, right? So here we go. This is the video block. I can put it over here and we can add like a video over here and remove this section right here. So we have a video over here at the top. Instead of video, I'll just remove this, and over here you've got the heading sides, a little small. You can play the video on loop as well, and then down below you can select the cover photo if you want. You have the video option right here, so you can only play a video as a YouTube video or a Vimeo URL. If you wanted to add like a custom video section, for that of course you need to add some code. You can see we already have some, which is right here called raw elements. Here you will add your JSS or HTML code, or you can even add like a custom liquid code and then upload videos over there as a custom liquid option. So currently, if you want to add the video over here, add the URL right here, or you can even click on select video and upload your own video. So as an example, I'll just select this video and see how it plays. We have the video right here. It should play as a loop. So let me just save it over here, and I will open up the store in another tab to see. So open up the store. So you can see the video is over here, but it's not auto playing. What I wanted to do was have an auto playing video over here. So let's go ahead and fix this. So to add a looping video instead of this one, right, we'll come over here. We don't want to add this section right here. What we'll do is we'll add a new section and we will use the custom liquid option. Paste the custom liquid option, and also we'll move it up at the top and paste this series of code right here. So it's a pretty simple code, nothing too crazy. We've got the video height and all of that. Now here in the source link, we got to paste the link, right? But to paste the link, we also have to make sure that the video that we are, copying the link from is already uploaded in the content section. So go into content files. So this is what I was talking about. You need to actually have a paid plan. So this is the video right here. We'll just simply come over here and copy the link, come back over here and paste the link right here. Make sure to keep these commas, otherwise it won't work. So paste the link over here, and for the other one as well, both over here. There we go. So now you can see that the video has been pasted and it's looping and it's auto playing, and there is no sound as well, which is the one that we want. So now that we can see it actually works, we have a 3D video playing. We now need to upload a 3D video. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm gonna save it over here and reload this page. I'm downloading the video file. So as you can see, it's quite big. So let's go ahead and adjust the video. So over here, we're going to come back. The video width, let's go with 50% and click on save and see how it looks like. Now, if we reload it, it's a little bit smaller, which is okay. So let's go with maybe 80%. Select 80, see how that looks. So 80% is okay, nothing too crazy, looks pretty cool. But if you want, you can even go with 70. Height, I recommend leaving it at auto, but it depends on you. It'll automatically adjust the height accordingly with the width. So 75% is actually the sweet spot for me, I think. Looks good. Then you can also input margins if you want. Margin is 0, that's fine. Everything looks good. For that, you can increase the padding as well from bottom over here. So, like that. So that way, it's more closer. So there we go. Let me save. Now let's go ahead and reload. So this is how it would look like. The padding is much, much more simpler. So at the top, you can even, add a heading. Just why not? So like we already have the liquid over here anyway. So if you want, you can go ahead and add that. But yeah, I think this looks good. I'm already downloading the 3D files. So I'm going to use Blender for that as well. So I'm going to create my own 3D design over here using an online tool, well, a creator that I already follow. So if you don't have Blender, make sure you've, installed it as well. So pause the video right here, download Blender and install it. So I downloaded this, animated t-shirt online from a creator, and we are going to use this as a 3D model for our website. So I'm going to open it up. So I'm going to leave everything as it is, continue, it is what it is. We'll just close this up. There we go. So if I were to play this video, you can see this is how it looks like. If it's not working as properly, make sure you come over here into the settings section. And so come over here into this modify option, and here you will find the file. If it's not playing like this, right, it's just stuck, make sure you open the file. Right, you'll find it over here. Make sure to open the location where you have saved your animation file, which is this one, and open it up. So it'll play like this one. And once you have your animation set, you want to upload your design, come over here. You can see right here, just double click it, it'll load up the design. You can see right here, looks pretty good. So now if we play the design, it looks a little bit weird, but we should render it out a little bit. Let's go ahead and click on render animation. It's going to take some time, but we should be good to go. So here we go. It looks good. After that, if you want to also change your design, you can also do it. So here you can see right here, if you open up the folder where you have these design, you can see this is the template. You can upload your design and edit in Photoshop. Put your front design here, back design here, left design here, and right design here, and you should be good to go. So it'll look something like this, right? And yeah, after that, you can just simply replace your design over here and you should be good to go. Now let's go ahead and export this entire settings or this entire segment. Click on file and click on export, and we can export it as a PDF or SVG or whatever. But what I want is to export it as a video or a raw video or whatever. So to export them, come over here into the output settings over here on the right hand side. Here you will see you have all the options. So I'll change the frames to 60 frames, and by default you will see the file format is set to PNG. You can set it to video. So we'll set it to video, and we will select the location where we want to export it. So I'll create a new folder. Actually come over here and create a new folder. Go into that, click on accept. There we go. And then we'll just hit the render and then render animation and let it do its thing. So I'm currently rendering the video. It should be done, but I think it's taking some time. It's been like 13 minutes. I don't understand why it's taking so long. Instantly, sometimes it doesn't. But, once it's done rendering, you can see right here, I think it's doing individual frames. There's like, I think 60 frames. So it's going to take some time. But you guys understand, once it's done, we can just simply, again, upload the video right here. Let me go back, go into files. So simply click on upload files and upload the video, and then copy the link of the video, which you'll find right here. So just upload the video. As you can see, it's currently in, exceeds the maximum video resolution of 4K. So it's a little bit up there. The resolution is a bit too much, but you guys understand, once it's uploaded, you can just simply go ahead and copy the link, paste it within the editor itself, and then you'll have a 3D video uploaded. And the same thing you can do with other as well. So simple. That is how you do it. That is how you create a 3D store on Shopify. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.